Unlocking the Gift of Inspiration, a guide to English mastery. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's both uplifting and profound: gift of inspiration. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also deepens your appreciation for the beauty of the English language. Let's explore together what it truly means to have or give the gift of inspiration. The phrase, gift of inspiration, combines two powerful words, gift and inspiration. A gift is something given willingly to someone without expecting anything in return. It's a token of love, friendship, or appreciation. Inspiration, on the other hand, refers to the process of being mentally stimulated to do or feel something, especially something creative. When we talk about the gift of inspiration, we're referring to a special kind of gift that sparks creativity, motivation, or a new perspective in someone else. It's not a physical present. Rather, it's an intangible but priceless offering that can change lives, ignite passions, and encourage people to pursue their dreams. Inspiration can come from anywhere: a beautiful piece of art, an uplifting story, a mentor's advice, or even the serene beauty of nature. When someone shares an experience, knowledge, or emotion that inspires others, they're giving them a gift that has the power to transform. This gift of inspiration is unique because it's endlessly renewable. The person who receives it can, in turn, inspire others, creating a ripple effect of positive change and creativity. It's a testament to the human spirit's ability to uplift and be uplifted by others' experiences and wisdom. Throughout history, we've seen countless instances where the gift of inspiration has led to remarkable achievements. Great inventors, artists, and leaders have often spoken about how a moment of inspiration, sometimes delivered by a mentor or simple observation, propelled them to greatness. Consider the story of a young student struggling with confidence who becomes a successful public speaker after being inspired by a teacher's encouraging words. Or an artist creating a masterpiece after witnessing a breathtaking sunset. These are examples of how the gift of inspiration can manifest in life-changing ways. The gift of inspiration is a powerful tool in our personal and collective journeys towards growth, creativity, and success. It reminds us that the best gifts aren't always tangible. Sometimes, the most impactful gifts are those that live within us, waiting to be shared with the world. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this exploration of the gift of inspiration has illuminated its significance and inspired you to both seek out and offer this beautiful gift in your own life. Until next time, keep learning, stay inspired, and share the gift of inspiration with those around you.